world's big cats are some of the most majestic and beautiful animals on Earth. Lions, tigers, leopards, and cheetahs ooze power and presence, elegance and energy, and they fascinate us like very few animals can. If you've been lucky enough to go on safari to see them in their natural habitat, you'll know what magnificent beasts they truly are. If you haven't, big cat shows on the Animal Life channel is the next best thing. If you're searching for the best big cat documentaries you can stream now, you've found them. You can get up close and personal with these stunning animals and some of the best feline features from the natural world. And big cat tailies, conservationists, documentary filmmakers, authors and photographers Jonathan and Angela Scott chronicle the lives of the iconic lions, leopards, and cheetahs living in Kenya's world-famous Masai Mara National Reserve. As astonishing, scarcely believable documentaries go, man-eating zombie cats is right up there. Is there an incurable, zombie-like pathogen turning the world's big cats into fearless and ferocious killers, baying for human blood? Where did it come from, and can it be stopped? The world's most renowned experts get together to investigate in one of the most shocking big cat documentaries ever made. Big cats permeate popular culture, from the tiger who came Toti and Alex in Madagascar to Simba and Mufasa in The Lion King, and even the Three Lions football song. These magnificent apex predators have universal appeal and are cultural icons all over the world. They are also the star turns in some of the most exciting big cat TV shows on the box. One of the most popular big cat documentaries is Africa's Super 7. It reveals the ups and downs of 7 of Africa's greatest animals, including lions, elephants, rhinos, cheetahs, and leopards living on the northern bank of the Sand River in South Africa's Mela Game Reserve. It tells the incredible stories of how the animals interact, how they hunt, and the ongoing struggle for survival in an often brutal existence based on power, trust, dominance, and hunger. This is undoubtedly one of the most remarkable big cat TV shows ever made and is a must-see. In Big Cats, Secret Lives, ecotourism pioneer and passionate conservationist John Vardy has spent 3 decades living alongside and forging close relationships with some of the world's most dangerous big cats. This includes wild leopards and 2 abandoned lion cubs. He's also taught 2 captive-bred tiger cubs the art of rewilding and how to survive in their natural territory. When we hear big cat TV shows, we immediately think of lions and tigers, but some of the most astounding shows about big cats don't feature these sensational beasts at all. The Growing Up series on Animal Planet are some of the most heartwarming big cat TV programs ever made. Growing Up Cheetahs features 4 cheetah cubs, Kayla, Kane, Siren, and Corbin, who were born at the Congo Wildlife Ranch and Conservation Center in South Africa and then raised by a rancher and her Labrador. And Growing Up Clouded Leopard, Sarah Bratcher, a professional surrogate mother specializing in big cats, raises May and Ming, 2 beautiful and rare clouded leopard cubs at her house before transferring them to a world-class breeding facility in Nashville Zoo. We all know about Man vs. Food on Discovery Plus, but what about Man? Cheetah Wild. This is one of the most utterly absorbing big cat shows on TV. It follows maverick filmmaker, photographer, conservationist, and third-generation ranger Kim Wool-Hunter as he trails a female cheetah and her 5 cubs across the Malilongwe Game Reserve in South Africa, offering a fascinating glimpse into their daily lives. It does get pretty cold sometimes, but Southeast England isn't exactly known for subarctic conditions. However, leafy Hertfordshire is home to the largest population of snow leopards outside of Asia and the subject of snow leopards of leafy London. Based a few miles north of the capital city in Welland, the Cat Survival Trust looks after a number of endangered cats, including the Amur leopard, puma, jaguar, the Eurasian lynx, and Panther untia, better known as the snow leopard. The observational documentary looks at the amazing work of the charity, including what's involved in rearing newborn cubs, their passionate conservation efforts, and never-before-seen footage of the intimate lives of snow leopards. This is one of the big cat documentaries you can't miss.